This is Jeff at Triple Peaks Roofing and Construction over in Avon Lake, Ohio. And we just finished taking off some ridge vent on this house. The roof's really not that old. You could see that the roofers who originally did this house never cut out both sides of the ridge vent. So when you think that your company that was hired or that your house is correctly vented just because it has ridge vent up on the roofs, doesn't really mean anything, because sometimes they don't cut it out. We're gonna see if we could pop this off with me still filming. You can kind of see how easy it is for me just to lift up on this. Couple good windstorms, a couple good wind gusts, this stuff would come right off. Why would it come off so easily? Well, it's gun nailed on with 1 3/4 nails. Look at that, I just pulled it right up with my hands. And these nails never reached the decking and penetrated the decking. So here's another side of this that's not cut out. You got one side of the rafter here cut, but not this side. For ridge vent to work, you really need to have both sides cut out. It's kind of a shame you spend thousands of dollars on a roof and this is the type of workmanship that's out there. And it's not from the small companies, it's not just from the big companies, it's from the companies that are not double checking the people that are working for them. They're not holding the labor accountable. I'm Jeff at Triple Peaks Roofing and Construction, where I'm on more roofs than Santa Claus.